Alright, hey guys, so today I'm just going to be showing and also fixing up a doll that I got because I went uptown and I got this stuff. So the first thing I got this little cute book, and it's teal and has a little button and these pages inside. It's so cute. And I got this to plan my videos out and stuff like that. So yeah, because I thought it could make my videos better if I planned them out. But I don't know, something to try. So yeah. And then of course you guys are seeing this doll. It's a baby alive. It's the Potty Dance Brunette, and she has her underwear and her dress. So that's why I got her. She still has her tag. $3.99 was her price. And I thought she was really cute, so I got her. And then I got this super cute from My Life. It's like a new phone set that I thought, that I thought was really cute. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it had inside, if I can get it open. I might just have to, these bags I always have troubles with opening. Also, yeah, so, oh my gosh, so this is the phone, and it has, the phone can come out of here? Oh, okay, so this is the phone case, and it's a little panda with a bow. That's adorable. And then here's the phone. It's a purple phone. That's adorable. And it also came with these ear pod things. So those are what they look like in a baby's ear. They don't really stay on that good, but they're little blue ear buds, so that's adorable. Alright, but anyway, I'm gonna be cleaning this doll right here. So she's a big doll, but I'll show you also how to clean her. So yeah, so so first you're just gonna take off your doll's clothes. This is how I clean a doll. But you're gonna just take off the outfit and start by she's a big baby. Start by just wiping her down with I have these Huggies wet ones that I use to clean dolls up. Oh. Oops. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I just knocked my tripod over and my phone fell over too. So yeah, I'm just getting a wet one out of here because I like to just clean the doll after I get it, just to get rid of all that bacteria. We don't need any sickness is going around because there is a sickness, stomach flu going around, and I don't want that. So she's pretty clean. So already, she's not really that dirty. So sorry if you guys have a doll that's really dirty and you were trying to do this. But I am going to be showing you how to fix the hair. And I'll give recommended tips I do too. So yeah, like I said, she's not really that dirty. So we're going to start on her hair. So I don't really know how I'm going to be able to have you guys see this. But if it's not the best, well, I'm sorry, but because, yeah, also, oh no, sorry guys, I grabbed some elastics. So, I have some elastics on this. So yeah, that's what that is. So this was a doll with pigtails. So I'm gonna be careful with how I brush it, because if I brush it all down together, the part is gonna be wrecked. Okay, yeah, so she had pigtails. I am gonna be just, leaving her hair in pigtails. If you are brushing a doll's hair, oh, her bangs are like, not good. You might have to cut some of the hair. Okay. Yeah. She definitely has had a haircut before. Well, not a haircut. So yeah. Her bangs are like all wrecked. She did have bangs. So I'm trying to just kind of comb these out right now. That's good for her bangs. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna be giving her pigtails in, because she did have pigtails. Like I said, this doll had pigtails in. So yeah, I recommend, if you're brushing a Baby Alive's hair, to use a Baby Alive brush. Like, these are both Baby Alive combs and brushes, because I feel like if you use a real hairbrush, it's not gonna be as gentle on their hair, because like obviously the Baby Alive brushes are just plastic, which I know that's why some people. All right, so there's her ponytail. But anyway, that's why some people use real people hairbrushes. But I wouldn't do that, guys. Like, honestly, it's not gentle on their hair, because obviously their hair isn't real people hair. Like I hear a lot of people say American Girl dolls have real hair, but I don't think they do either. I think their hair is just a wig. Like, it could be a real person wig. I'm gonna fix that later, because it's hard right now because I'm filming. But anyway, there's her pigtail. That looks cute. I'm definitely gonna have to fix this, and her bangs are gonna have to be trimmed. That's not actually that bad. But anyway, yeah, like, dolls do not, oh, sorry guys. Dolls do not have real people hair. So obviously hairbrushes and hair things are not gonna work the same on doll hair as they do on people hair, because like doll hair is doll hair. So yeah, like doll hair isn't people hair. So it's, yeah, like products and stuff are not gonna work the same. I hear a lot of people also say fabric softener, to use fabric softener in doll hair if it gets bad. But no, like, do not do that, guys. Do not use fabric softener for your doll's hair. I've tried it before. So I used to have the Lulu Sweet Tears. It was called the Sweet Tears dolls. I used to have the brunette one, and her hair was horrible. Like, it was just so matted and so gross. And so we decided, my sister had a blonde one, and so we decided to try the fabric softener. And oh, it was a nightmare. It made the hair worse. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. It made the hair actually worse. Like, do not try that. It makes doll hair worse. I'm telling you guys. It makes doll hair worse. But yeah, so anyway, I just finished her ponytails. And, like, that's pretty much it. I would say, I am gonna have to cut those hairs, but I'm not gonna do that just right now. So yeah. These, if you guys are wondering, if you guys didn't see, these are how the earbuds work. They fit on the dolls like that. So those are really cute. They do have a little plastic piece so if you're wanting to buy these, they do have a little plastic piece to hold the ear onto the earbud onto the ear, because real earbuds do not have these. But it's so, as you can see on her ear, it goes around her ear to hold on the earbud. She's a bigger doll. She's a bigger size. So, sorry that fell off. I have Jenna here. As you guys have seen in some of my shorts and a video I did a few days ago, I did a video, or no, last night. Yeah, last night I did a video with her. But anyway, that's how the earbuds fit on her ears. Yeah, they do fall off pretty easily on this size of dolls, just because they're smaller, their ears are smaller. But yeah, so I'll put her back up here. But anyway, we're focusing on this girl. So yeah, that's pretty much all to restoring your doll. I wanted to show you those things I just got. I will be trying how she drinks in wet, because I also get, like, some people ask me, well, how do you know if they're gonna drink? And I can't, well, I guess not really anybody asks me, but if some people are, if you're wondering, I'll show you. So this is my water bottle, and I just got a normal Baby Alive bottle. This came with the Fruity Sips doll, and I'm just gonna pour some water into there. And, alright. So I poured the water in, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm not sure if you guys can see. But anyway, I poured the water into her cup. And, well, not her. This did not come with her. But, yeah. So I just have this bowl right now. And I'm just gonna have her, because I don't have my doll potty, or do I? Yeah, I don't have my doll potty handy right now. I do have a doll potty, which I would use for her if I did a video on her. But I'm gonna be seeing if she will work without her cup, because she had a special cup. But I'm not exactly sure these dolls work. Yeah, so nothing's coming out of her. But that's also because she's the potty doll.
Hi. Hi, Mommy.
So if I turn her on, she should say she has to go potty.
That hiccup.
So here. her dance.
That tickles. That tickles. Ready? Wee, I'm dancing.
Her little feet do.
Yay, I did it.
So yeah, it's because she doesn't like. Oh, okay. So don't tip her upside down because she will leak if you do that. But she is the potty one, and as we all know,
Let's go play.
she's supposed to be able to hold the water inside of her. So if you feed her,
Let's dance together.
she's not. She
Help
doesn't.
me,
It
watch
doesn't.
me dance.
She doesn't pee because
This is fun.
that was
Yay,
not from her. I
did it.
tipped her upside down and she. All right.
This is fun.
I can't get her to go potty right now, but
I'll wear big girl on red.
she should do that. So yeah. But that's sorry. All right. So anyway, that is not from her. Well, it is from her, but yeah. It's because I tipped her over to see if it'd come out of her mouth, and it did. So now the carpet's wet. But anyway, she did have her outfit, her original dress. I don't have scissors in here right now, but I can't cut this tag off. But anyway, if you liked this video of a quick restoring and unboxing of the little Panda earphones and the headphone and phone, then if you like that, please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll go to more thrift stores to find if I can find more dolls to restore for you guys, like her. Sorry if this didn't help that many people out. Because like she just wasn't really that dirty, so I didn't have to really clean her a whole bunch. But I will be doing like a video with her soon, hopefully. Maybe like a night routine or a morning routine. And hopefully she'll want to go potty then, and I'll show you guys. I'll find my potty. But anyway, like I said again, please like and subscribe. If you guys liked seeing this video and liked seeing me restoring her, please give it a like. Because if I get likes, then I can know what you guys like to see. So go to my channel. It's called, go to my channel. And if you like, I have a few other videos and shorts. So if you like any of those, like I said, please like them and subscribe. If you like, then I can go and look and see the likes, and I can know what you guys like to see. But yeah, so if you like those, please like and subscribe, and bye!